Good morning, team. This is our daily Scrum meeting for Sprint 3. So let's go around as usual. Just update briefly on what you did yesterday, what you will do today, and any blockers. So before that, I will go through the backlog for Sprint 3. So we can see here, we have almost done with the Sprint 3, just have few more. And this is our board. So we can see here that we just have two more tasks to be completed and one more is in review and all others are done. So that's all for the Jira part. I would like to pass to our team leader Aiman.
Okay, so for my part, on the sprint I did edit comment and delete comment. So in the previous sprint, we have the post comment here. So for this new sprint, we have the edit comment function and then the submit comment to confirm the edit comment. And after that, I added the confirm delete comment. This is the front end. And on the back end, this is just for teacher to delete student comment. So we can remove the unwanted comment as you can see here. Teacher can delete their own comment and delete student comment. And on the forum context, which is how they handle this delete and call, on the update comment, I use this constant update comment and then constant delete comment, which prioritize the outer ID because we have this function to delete student comment from teacher's view. Okay, so for the comment database, the delete and edit is from the forum comment table. As you can see, there is an existing comment here. And when we delete it, it will update here at the forum comment. And as for my next action, which is on next sprint, I plan to do the advanced search and how to differentiate code and post. Okay, that is all from me. I will pass to our developer one, which is please.
Okay, thank you, Aiman. So for this screen, I was tasked to complete the troubleshooting game feature. It's the second game challenge in our platform now. So what I did in this code is, as you can see here, this is generate challenge function. So what is this function? Is this function creates a random funding challenge. So it picks a random bug type like missing semicolon or like then it generates Java code with that bug hidden in it. So each challenge has a question. So students need to identify where is the parts of it has error in it. So basically, as you can see here, troubleshooting game. So students need to pick the lines that where is the failure about this code. So for the database, as you can see here, I select the game score table. So when I run, uh, consists of 5 attributes. So it fetch which type of game the students pick. So if students pick debugging quiz, it will show that game type shows debugging. So it also appear that the user ID, so which student pick the game. So I think that's it for me. Thank you.
So I am developer 2. My name is Nidesh Adam Farus. So my task for screen 3 is to create a filter, which is chat history. So we can view the history, and then we can also continue. So for this filtering, for this history, my code is at line 19.1 until end. This is the fetch history, and then for the, so the propagation, format history, and then until the last line, which is until dia 400 lines, until the line 437. So here my code. So to create a new chat, please click this one. So what I have done yesterday is this code, and what I'm gonna do for the next task is to create the function which is capable of upload image PNG file as this message. So here the response, here the view chat history, my table, which is for the chat history, I refer to the same table for the restore prompt, which is a chat log. So here the message ID, respond, and restricted. Yeah. So That's all for me. So we get to the next person.
So for this sprint, I completed user story 9 for download material, which enables students to download attached learning files such as PDFs. The main implementation involves integrating the line 593 is line 608 for the open download in browser to trigger the device external browser for stable file downloading. Also, with this feature, students can now access learning materials more conveniently and also even on offline. So for next sprint, I will focus on user story 9.5, update material status, allowing students to mark materials as complete. And also the user story 10, number 2, view material progress, which will display their overall learning progress. Okay, next, this is the database table, learning material for this sprint. And the download material, it will following the material ID. Yeah, that's all. So that's all from me. I will pass it to Beatrice.
So, good evening, I'm Beatrice, Tester 2. Thank you, Jocelyn. So, this is the IDE or the code for view batch under use case view leaderboard. So, here, as you can see, we have four different kind of badges. Batch 1 to 3 is champions. The next will be rising star. Their own respective badges, which are student and teacher. So this is what I have done yesterday. I also have implemented the database PintarKod table batch that contains all of the required input data. Contains all of the required data under batch. And also what I'll be doing for the next sprint, I'll be focusing for view student chat logs and also view the full report. As previously I stated, this is the database PintarKod table batch. And as you can see here, we have the batch type champion student teacher. And the scores are taken from the game game table. And currently I have no blockers. Yeah, that's all for me.
So for my part, yesterday I worked on the reset password functionality, specifically implementing the token-based reset password concept. So basically, reset password concept allows users to reset password without revealing their account details. When user clicks forget password, the system generates a unique random token and stores it in the database along with an expiry time. So this token is then sent to the user's email inside the reset link. Only the person with the access to that email can open the link when the user clicks in it. The system verifies whether the token is valid, matches the correct user, and has not expired. So if the check pass, the users is allowed to set an this is the forget password, and we can enter the email. Once I enter, okay, so the email will be sent, and then for now we don't have a connected email, so we haven't integrated. So this email will be sent, and then we can click and proceed to the next, as I said. So I also updated the Jira bot so that the task and subtasks related to this feature and properly organized for Sprint 3. And I forgot one thing to share the database. So this will be the database, and we have the column of reset token and reset token expiry in the using the user table. So at the moment, I don't have any blockers. And for today, I will continue with the documentation, had some corrections to be made. So that's all from me.